Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So we start at 5, 6, 7, 8. So you just hide your hands at the back like this. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. So for this part, first you have to cross your legs so your right goes front, then your left goes out and your right goes up. So again, cross, left goes out and right goes up. So let's repeat a bit faster. So right cross, left out, right up. Then we have to do the same thing but with the left leg. So when the right leg is up, we have to put it down and then cross with the left leg and then bring it up while the right is down. So cross, up, cross, up. And then we repeat the same move once again. So cross, up again. And then you cross, but the right goes out, in. So what I did here is you just have to cross with the left. And when you bring the right out, first you bring it out and then in. So it goes out and you bring it in. Don't worry if you don't get it the first time, you just have to practice. So let's repeat. We go cross, out, cross, out, cross, out, cross, out, in. And for the hands, you just have to hide them for the first 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then when it says love you, you make a heart and you go I love you. Okay, so repeat again this way, and then you point to the center. Okay, you point with your index fingers and you go cross. And then when you go out, in, your leg goes out and your hands are at the sides of your chest. They also go out. And when your leg goes in, your hands go in. So you join them together like this with your fingers. So they go out, in, all together. Well done. Now let's repeat from this part. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, up, cross, up, cross, up, cross, out, in. Next, we step with the right leg. So we put our right leg to the front, slightly looking to the left. And while your hands are together like this, you have to move like this. So you move this way from right to left. So your chest moves, fully looking to the right. Okay, so then you look to the right. So one more time. We step and move, move, and look to the right. Then we go really, really. So for this part, we put our hands into fist, looking to the right, and our hands go up, down, up, down. So it's right up, left up, right up. So it's just switching your hands. Let's repeat this part again. So we go move, move, really, really. Next, we move our arms to the right, and while doing so, our left leg goes out. Then we put our legs together, okay, and our left leg goes up. We lift it up like this. And while the left leg goes up, we point our index finger to the center, so we go up. So it's like you. And then we do the same thing, but we move our arms to the left and our right leg goes out. And instead of repeating this step we did before, we have to again raise our left leg, but we have to put our hands into fist and slide our chest while our hands are going down. So we slide like that. So again, we go like you, left, slide. Good job, we're done with part 1. Let's repeat from this part and then we will go with counts from the beginning. So we go move, then really, really like you, slide, slide. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So we finished here, and on 1, 2, first with our hands, we have to slide our hands together. So with the left arm, with the left hand, we have to slide through our right arm slowly. So we slide, slide, and then put them into fist. So slide, fist, and then you open them. So from the front view, so we slide, fist, and open. And when you open them, your right leg that is stepped in the front will go up. So open and you go up. So slide, fist, leg goes up. Once again, slide, up. Then on 3, 4, legs first, we step with the right leg, bring it up and step again. And while doing so, the right hand goes into fist and you make a circle, okay? So make your circle and you stop. So while you step with the right leg, you make a circle, up and stop. When you stop, you pull the right leg down. From this side is step, up, step. Let's go from this part, okay? So it is 5, 6, 7, 8. You slide, fist up, round, stop. Then you go 5, 6. Here you step with your right leg and the left goes up. So you step, left goes up, and when left is up, left goes down and right goes up. So it's step up, step up. And for the arms, you put them into fists. So first the right fist is looking up, the left fist is looking down. So when you step with the right leg, the right fist is looking up. And then you switch the other fist. So right fist up, left fist up. So on 7, you look to the left. So after doing this, your hands are still into fist, okay, this way. And you go from right to left until you look fully to the left side. So 5, 6, right. Okay, you step and right to the left, looking to the left. So after your arms being stretched, you put them at the sides of your chest, okay, into fist. And after doing that, you have to bring it up. So you stretch it up, your hands are open and they go up. And then you put your hands at the sides of your mouth like this. So they go up and then to your mouth. So they're stretched, sides of your chest, hands go up, then to your mouth. One more time, and stretch, then to your chest, arms go up, open, and to your mouth. And then you roll, roll. And after rolling, you look to the right. So you're already facing the right at this time. And again, you go really, really. The way we did before in part 1, we go really, really. And then we go 5, 6 to finish. So our hands are stretched and they go up, up, go through our head. Okay, this is like freestyle. So like do it the way you like. Good job, we're already done with the dance. Let's go from this part and then we count from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, chest, up, mouth, roll, really, really, hands up, head, pose. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.